I'm gonna attempt to fly the Karma now. It's about 21 miles per hour wind, according to the app that tells me the wind in this area. I don't know if you can see that flag in the background, but look how hard it's waving. Let's see what this drone can do. Right now, I'm not touching the sticks. It's controlling itself. It's very windy. So let's see what this drone can do. I'm still not touching anything. And you see the wind? Well, you can't really see it, but you can hear it. Still not touching anything. The wind right now is about 20 miles per hour. Drone is handling pretty well. Sorry, I'm the only pilot and I'm the cameraman. On the sticks, it's doing it all by itself, combating the high winds. Well, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna leave it alone. I'll put the remote control down on the floor, and I'm gonna throw my other drone in the air, see how it does. Right now it's in the air with a 3DR solo. I'm also now on the sticks. The only problem I have with the solo, you'll see soon, it'll start dipping a lot. Well, mind you, look at the 3DR Karma. Sorry, look at the GoPro's Karma remote. It's on the floor. Solar remote, it's in my hand. These drones are flying on their own. Let me land one of them so I can fly one of them. Wow, I'm very impressed, and I kind of crashed the 3DR solo while trying to land it. Even though I went sticks down, I'm not sure what happened, but whatever. I love how this drone flies. It reminds me of my tricopter, the way it swings. I'm trying to take it easy, not really trying to go too hard. I only have one battery, so I gotta bring it down soon. Let's try auto land. I put it to auto land. Keep in mind, guys, the wind is like about 21 miles per hour.